तो
अंजुना
अंजुना
में
में
जो
जो एसेट
मैटर
हुआ
का
था यहाँ
मर्डर
पे
हुआ
जो
है यहाँ
प्रॉपर्टी मैटर कुछ था और ऐसा सुना गया था कि बाउंसर ने जो फैमिली को मारा है। अभी इस केस में दोनों अभी
देखिए
फिलहाल इंजर्ड है, क्या मैटर है
इसके
पूरा?
अंदर मैं आप लोगों को आपके माध्यम से आई वांट टू क्लैरिफाई that yesterday we had received information that at a property which is located in Gumalwado, Anjuna, there was a clash between two groups over property dispute. And subsequently, police had visited the scene of crime and we have taken necessary legal action. इसके अंदर on the complaint of one Shri Mevilton Theodore, who's 32 years old. He's a resident of Gumalwado, Anjuna. We've registered an offence against against one Bruno D'Souza and other people. This offence has been registered under section 189 read with subsection 2, 191 read with subsection 2, 109 and 190 BNS. और इसके अंदर on the basis of this complaint, two persons were arrested last evening. The arrested persons are one Mr. Digambar Salkar. He is 54 years old and he is a resident of Duler Mapsa. The other person arrested is Akhil Tekekar. He is 33 years old. He is a resident of Kuchilim Mapsa. जो दिगंबर सालकर हैं इन द इनिशियल इंटेरोगेशन ही इज़ रिवील दैट ही वाज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ मिस्टर ब्रूनो और जो उसमें हु इज़ अराउंड 92 years old and Bruno had contacted him to help him resolve a existing property dispute. This property dispute which they have is with one person who we've identified as Mevilton Theodore and his father. इसमें जो फादर है उनको इंजरीज आई हैं और मेविल्टन को भी इंजरीज आई हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इंजरी दे आर प्रेजेंटली अंडरगोइंग ट्रीटमेंट एट GMC. उसके बाद उनको मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट किया गया है. वी हैव ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड अ क्रॉस कंप्लेंट that from Mr. Bruno, on the basis of which a cross FIR has also been registered. उसके अंदर भी investigation is currently underway. So primarily this was a dispute over the ownership of the property. इसके अंदर when they had gone to take the possession, there were some verbal abuses and after which there was a clash. All the persons involved in this assault, they are being identified, they are being called for questioning and whatever necessary legal action has to be taken will be taken.
सर इस केस में अभी तक मालूम पड़ा कि द प्रॉपर्टी बिलोंग्स टू whom एग्जैक्ट?
See, as you are well aware, the ownership of the property, that decision is taken by court because both the parties are claiming to claim their ownership over the property. And both of them have submitted documents to claim that this property belongs to them. However, we are conducting an inquiry to establish who exactly owns the property, but final decision in such matters rests with civil courts.
केस में बाउंसर थे.
सर इसके हाँ वही जो इस केस में अभी तक बोला गया है कि बाउंसर ने मारा है, बाउंसर ने मारा. इस केस में एक्चुअली हाथापाई किस किस के साथ हुई थी?
देखिए जैसे मैंने आपको बताया इसके अंदर ऑन वन साइड इज़ वन मिस्टर ब्रूनो, ऑन द अदर साइड इज़ मेविल्टन एंड हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स. द असॉल्ट हैज़ हैपेंड बिटवीन दीज पर्सन्स. So far in the investigation, we have not come across any mention of any bouncer. However, investigation is ongoing. If during investigation fresh evidence emerges, then we will take that into account and necessary legal action will be taken. But so far, I will again say, no role of any kind of bouncer has come into play.
So till now 2 are arrested.
We have arrested 2 persons.
और कोई है इसमें केस में नहीं?
We are looking for more persons and teams have been formed and more arrests are likely.
Yes.
Thank you.